It's amazing. I'm happy I actually did have this photo. I decided to save it, so just in case I want to look back on it. Oh my god. So this was a picture of my backyard before we start working on it. I mean, it was just dirt. Everywhere is just dirt. Oh my gosh, look at that. Amazing. So we definitely, after we purchased the house, we work on getting the yard barber green because it was so much muck. Set it for a couple of days, and then we decided that we're gonna barber green. Look at our house. This was how our yard. This was what our yard looks like before. Wow, look at that. I never remember what it looked like. I don't even have a full video or picture of what our yard did look like before.
It's damn
Look
deep
at
old
that.
hole.
Oh
How
wow, I
deep
just
this
find
is.
this video in my phone and I
Wow.
decided to upload it because sometimes I tend to lose my pictures from out of my phone, so I'm gonna upload it on my YouTube page. And this was how our yard looked like when we just got it, guys. It was just a mess, just dirt. Yep, that's it, no grass. It was just dirt. Wow. So I decided that, you know what, let me get this video and put it up on my YouTube page for further reference. We did a lot of changes now on the backyard. It's not like this. It used to be everything changed. So just check this out. Check out the video and the quality of paving the yard. It was really worth it. Because to be walking around here, like when rain fall, you muck up your shoes and all these things. Wow. Anyway, they dig it up right here, but this was basically how it was before we barber green. It's good. It's the best investment that we ever did on this property. Was barber green because we used to have to pay like $60 to cut the yard all the time. Cut the yard 60 to $100. That is because we know somebody. Somebody else will I think some party cover sometimes the video that I wanted to have that. There were some big holes too with a lot of water when rain fall, But I was here videoing them, and yeah, right there he removed the stairs. There was a staircase, a step right where that yellow machine is facing the door, where the gentleman just went in. Um, so I was outside while they're working, doing a little video. They already barber green here. So, but they left it for like 2 weeks after they dig it up and said they have to leave it for it to set rain have to be fall, or we have to wet up the yard or something like that. So they did put some gravel on it. Yeah, they did put some gravel on it, and leave it to set for days. Yeah, about 2 weeks. They said they did have to leave it for. They were hoping that rain falls, so they just want to make sure everything was level and not like, the way they want